Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it also requires a lot of planning and hard work. Here are some general steps to consider when starting a business. Starting a business. Kieran DeGol. How to start a business. Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it also requires a lot of planning and hard work. Here are some general steps to consider when starting a business. Identify a business idea. Think about what kind of business you want to start. This could be based on your passions, interests, skills, or an identified gap in the market. Conduct market research. Research your target market, competition, and industry to determine the viability of your business idea. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business concept, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational details. Determine your legal structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business. Example: sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, or corporation. Register your business. Register your business with the appropriate government agencies and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Secure funding. Determine how you will fund your business, whether through personal savings, loans, or investments. Set up your business. Establish your business operations, such as setting up a physical or virtual office, creating a website, and setting up business accounts. Launch and market your business. Launch your business and start promoting it through various marketing channels.